Why are you watching me? I'm not important. Okay, so I decided to bust out like a quick little tutorial video because I feel like a lot of my videos take like over 20 minutes because I talk a lot and I pause a lot. So I was like, no, what? No, let's try to get something like out there, used, abused, thrown away. But yeah, so it's like, okay, like let's do something like quick this week, like fast. Like, I mean, not this week because I had a video earlier this week, but it's because I'm really behind on filming stuff. So I was like, oh, let's just do like a little, we're gonna just blend. And that's it, just blend away. So I'm gonna use the Momager by Kylie. It's so cute and little and small, one of my favorites. It just has like typical colors. So like, just grab that palette that you like to use and let's get to it. So always, always, always make sure you put down some type of eyeshadow primer. I like to use the Lorac one. Mine is used and torn up from the flow up. So go ahead and pop out on your eyeballs. And I really just like to put it on with like my middle finger because like I put it on with my middle and then I take my ring and like smooth it out. And then being the dirty squirrel I am, I just wipe that excess right off on my jeans. Okay, so you're gonna want to take like a fluffier, like, why can't I be YouTube professional yet? Like, how do you, oh whatever, just take a fluffy brush, there we go. And I always like to take like a neutral shade. So this one right here is kind of like a flat matte and matches like close to my skin tone. I'm gonna throw that all over. Okay, when you put that, you're literally like just dusting it, like get the dust off of there. Quick, easy, simple, boom. You could even like pop mascara and some liner on with that and be okay for the day. Okay, now I like to come back in with like kind of like a smaller, fluffier brush, I guess, and find like something within here. So I'm gonna do Payback's a Bitch because why not? And I'm just gonna blend that into my crease and I'll show you how to do that in just a second. So like when you have excess, like make sure you're just like, get that off of there. We don't need that. So you have that on there. And when you like press it up, hold on, let me try to see if I can like, yeah. You legit circle it. And like I hold my brush like a pencil. Don't judge me for my nails. And like this, I always like cup it here, I guess. And hold like, then like I hold it real tight with these. And this is just to keep it in position. And then I just blend. And this palette is pigmented as hell. And you're just doing like circular back and forth motions and like literally like twirling it with your fingers. Like you're not, I use my like fingers more than I would my wrist. And then you just kind of feel a little blended out, right? Okay, and then like sometimes when I feel like it's just not blending, like I will push that brush to like smear that shadow up. And then same thing, like little blends into big blends. Just push that shadow all around. La da ba la 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 now. Okay, so that eye is a lot darker. So I'm just gonna blend some more on this side to try, because I feel like it's not blended right through here, but that could just be me. Okay, so this eye needs to darken up, so we just retap. And then like once I get into this orbital bone, I think that's what that is, like I will windshield wiper the hell out of that and then do the circles. Like your fingers should hurt because you're blending so much. Now, like I always like to do, I want to darken my crease, so I'm just going to keep taking that same fluffy brush because like she's already here, so let's keep partying. And I'm going to take 10% because I think that's what my battery's at, so it works. Tap that shit off. And then you kind of just want to press that right in here. And this is really where I like to like focus the darker color and then like slowly start like pushing it through here. Okay, now we're gonna, same thing on the other side. Now that I'm feeling froggy, I'm going to take setting spray, spray my little brush. I like to do a flat one for this. Dry it a little bit. Smells good. And I'm going to take this Haters color. I just want to press it in there because like I just want my eyes look extra shiny and bright, unlike my future. You're kind of like pressing and smearing, I guess. I think it makes it look prettier. And then, yeah, it just makes it like bright and shinier. And see how that kind of like, so I'm going to take that fluffy brush from earlier and like push some of that dark back into there just to make it like all one piece. So hold on. Okay, so like I lied and I got the fluffier brush, and then I'm going to go back with that, it's an emergency, like the lighter color up here, and use that to blend because I think it will just work. I think it will just work. And this one, I'm like literally like tickling my eye just to make that like blend better. I don't know if this looks good to everyone else, but like I like it. I think it's cute. But yeah, that's just kind of how I hurriedly blend stuff. You just pick it up like you're gonna write a story. Write an eyeshadow reveal. Then you're gonna push that brush back, hold it, and then like I move it to like the lock and load, like, and that's just how I do that. And then when I want to do lighter, I just hold it like, hold it like I'm gonna, and then you can kind of like feel, like if you clutch your brush up higher, you don't get as much, you're like forcing it, to where if you like relax and release, you'll get more of like a dustier like vibe. Like it should feel light. You shouldn't be hurting your eyes trying to blend, unless you like really need to get that in there. It happens. But yeah, so don't choke up on your brush. Don't do that. Then like, you see what I'm saying? Like you can't get around there. So yeah, that's just my quick little tip for this week. And next week I'm hoping to have another cool quick little tip. I don't know what yet, so let me know what you think it should be. And I'm also hoping next week to have another video storytime makeup thing, but I guess we'll see. Thank you, and as always, please like, share, subscribe. Let me know what I'm doing good, what you don't like, what you want to see, what you don't want to see, and have a beautiful, wonderful day or night. Or don't have a good day. I don't really care. Yes, I do. Please have a good day. Okay, but like I'm really not gonna end it without finishing this look, so hold on. Okay, so this is just my powder dusted off. So what I'm going to do is show you how I like to like kind of go under here with some shadow before I like roll out. I can't believe I really just tried to end that video so quick. What am I doing? So you want to get like your little like angled brush here. We're gonna grab our palette and go back in with Payback's A Bitch, that like first color, because I don't want it to be super dark under there, which some people do, some people don't. It's just not my vibe. And it doesn't work unless you go. Just kind of ties it together. Okay, and I also like to add like the highlighter I'm going to use above my brow, just because like, and when I do that, I like to wiggle it and then softly feather it, because I feel like when you wiggle it with like right there, it pushes it down into that without making it too much. I'm gonna throw some liner on and come back with my final thoughts on this tip. Feeling like Eileen Warnos. Hold on. It's here. I'm feeling Eileen. Come on, Eileen. I look like that one white trash Tammy lady. Oh, maybe I do want a mullet. Maybe I do. This is very like Eileen-y Tammy. I'm gonna kill your mans, cause he's picking me up as a prostitute. But yeah, so if you just take your time, you blend, you get like a pretty good outcome. And like, I like it. I don't like, oh my god. Okay, that's a little, it's better, but yeah. So thank you guys for tuning in once again. If comment, like, subscribe, tell me what you did like, what you didn't like. If you still want me to do or continue doing these like little tips every week, like something just fast and easy that can make your makeup life easier and better, I will be more than happy to do it. Yeah, and I can't wait to keep indulging myself in this YouTube journey with all of you and everyone that has supported me so far. Thank you so much, and has messaged me and told me what they did like and asked me questions. Like, you mean so much to me, because like people actually maybe do like what I'm saying and doing, and that means a lot to me. So thank you. Until next videos. Mwah.